you are all well and welcome back to my channel. I am Olivia if you are new to this. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you, which is a piece of jewelry I purchased from Chanel. And this is the jewelry I got. This is a ring from their Coco Crush collection, which is the fine jewelry collection Chanel launched back in 2015. And this ring in particular is the one in yellow gold. So today I would share with you the unboxing of the ring, my first impression and reviews towards it. So if you are interested, please keep watching. I got my Chanel ring today. I've already opened it and I can't wrap it back. So this is how the box looks like. I just want to show you how the ring looks like when it comes into the box. It's the ring. It's so pretty. So let's talk about first impression. I was actually deciding between this ring and Cartier's Love Ring, and at the end I've decided to purchase this one from Coco Chanel just because I feel this suits my personality a little bit more. It's very sophisticated design, and I feel this is such an everyday piece, and because this is for myself, so I don't really want to carry any sort of meanings towards it. I mean, I love the design, like I love the design of Cartier's Love Ring, but I do see a lot of people who are engaged or who are married wearing it. That's why I feel it has a lot of meaning towards it, while I just want something really for myself. So I've decided to purchase this one. That's the first reason. Of course, the second reason, which is the most important reason, is because I fell in love with the design immediately when I saw the whole Coco Crush range. I loved how sophisticated the design looks like, and everything looks so pretty from this range. I knew Chanel had the fashion jewelry range. I didn't like that line that much until I saw this Coco Crush, and I'm like, I fell in love immediately when I saw this. That's why I've decided to get this rather than the Cartier's Love Ring. Price wise, Chanel's ring is slightly more expensive than Cartier. So Cartier's mini love ring is around 1,600 Australian dollars, while this one, which is the most basic ring from their Coco, $2,150, I believe. Yeah, price actually gone up. There was a price adjustment during the beginning of June, so I believe before that it was slightly cheaper. Purchasing Chanel's item is not a really easy thing to do, especially I'm based in Adelaide, South Australia, which we do not have a Chanel boutique here in Adelaide. I had to ring the Chanel boutique in Melbourne and find out if they have any stocks available in my size, and then I had to arrange the shipping with the Chanel boutique in Melbourne to actually get the ring. So it's not as easy as purchasing any other rings from other brands. For example, Cartier, you just need to order that online and they would ship directly to where you are, as you know the size. It took me such a long time to actually contact with a salesperson based in Melbourne, but he was really helpful. He helped me choosing the colors as well, because I was not sure if I should get yellow gold or rose gold. And size wise, I actually went to the Pandora shop to try on different sizes, and at the end I got this one in yellow gold, and my size is 50, so it fits really well on my middle finger. An everyday piece of jewelry that you can dress up or dress down. Impression, I would definitely say this is a 10 out of 10, and because this jewelry is also 18K gold, I definitely think this is a nice piece of jewelry worth investing, even if it's not cheap. Now let me talk to you about my personal reviews towards this. I'm not a ring person. I don't own many rings because I had bad experiences wearing a ring. I remember I bought this like cheap piece of fashion jewelry when I was like in my early 20s, and I was wearing it almost every day, and I just couldn't stand it because one, it's not the right size, two, it's just so thick, and it was really sharp as well, so I had really bad experience wearing it. This is probably one of the most comfortable rings I've ever had. It's not only because it's so tight, but also the edges of the ring is really smooth, so you don't really feel anything while you're wearing it. And because this time I believe I got the right size for myself, so it's like it fit really well. It doesn't, but I can still take this out quite easily with a little bit pressure, so like this is really comfortable to wear. In relation of the colors, they do have different color ranges. They have this one in yellow gold, which is the one I am wearing right now. They also have the rose gold, and they have the white gold too. This one in particular is 18K gold. Sorry guys, I just had to shift my camera a little bit because the sun is moving. Anyways, I've been wearing this ring every day since I got it, which was about 3 weeks ago, and it's still in a really good condition, and it does not cause any discomfort at all. And I do my typings almost every day at work. I wash my hands like so many times, you wouldn't even believe, more than 10 times a day. So I would 100% recommend this ring. On top of that, this ring, because of the design, I feel you can't even see the scratch if anything happens. If you are in the market looking for this ring or looking for anything from this Coco Crush line, I would recommend 100%, because I am also planning to purchase either the pair of earrings from this collection or another ring in different colors, so I can wear it in layers. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I was doing researches about this ring. I actually couldn't find too many videos about it, so I hope this would be a little bit helpful. So I hope at the end it's not a cheap piece of jewelry to purchase, but yeah, I have no regrets at all getting this ring, and it adds a little bit personality to my outfits. It's something I would wear every day, and I would keep it for, and this is something that I can keep for so long as well. So if you like this video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any other questions that I did not cover, please leave a comment down below and I will respond as soon as possible. I will see you next time.